In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Creative Cloud not opening, stuck loading. If Creative Cloud won't open or just sits there spinning, the quickest, most reliable fix is to fully quit the app and start it again. This clears out any temporary glitches and forces the desktop app to reload its services cleanly. Before you begin, save your work and close any open Adobe apps so nothing gets interrupted when Creative Cloud shuts down. First, try quitting Creative Cloud from its own menu. If the window is visible or the icon is sitting in the lower right corner of your screen in the Windows taskbar, open the app or right-click the icon and choose Quit. Give it a few seconds to fully close. You should see the icon disappear from the notification area. If it goes away and stays away, that's a good sign the app actually quit. If Creative Cloud is frozen, unresponsive, or the icon won't go away, use Task Manager to close it completely. Press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together to open Task Manager. If it opens in a simplified view, click More Details to expand it. On the Processes tab, scroll through the list and locate entries named Adobe Creative Cloud or Creative Cloud Desktop. Select each one and click End Task. If you still see another Creative Cloud entry lingering, end that as well. The goal here is to make sure no Creative Cloud process is still running in the background. Take your time and double-check the list until those entries are gone. Once you've closed everything related to the Creative Cloud desktop app, pause for 5 to 10 seconds. That short wait lets Windows release any files the app was using and reset background connections. Now, reopen Creative Cloud from your Start menu like you normally would. You can click the Start button and type Creative Cloud, then press Enter to launch it. When it opens, watch for the loading screen to complete and the main dashboard to appear. That indicates the restart worked. If it loads, you're all set. You can reopen your Adobe apps as needed. If the app still seems to hang, repeat the same quit and restart process one more time, making sure every Creative Cloud process is closed before you relaunch. Often, a thorough close and a clean restart is all that's needed to get you past the stuck loading screen. That's it. Fully quit Creative Cloud, ensure it's closed in Task Manager on Windows, and then start it fresh. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to your work quickly.